everyone, welcome back to regular classes. Today is day 15th and today's word of the day is debacle. D-E-B-A-C-L-E, debacle. And its part of speech is noun. So debacle is a noun. D-E-B-A-C-L-E, debacle. Its meaning is a great disaster or complete failure. तो मतलब कुछ फेल हो जाए पूरा का पूरा या फिर कोई बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो जाए, डिज़ास्टर हो जाए तो उसे डिबाकल बोलते हैं. डिबाकल. इट्स सिनोनिम्स. अब हम उसके सिनोनिम्स देखते हैं. सिनोनिम्स आर fiasco, catastrophe. I repeat, fiasco, catastrophe. Antonyms are victory, win. Used in a sentence, his first meeting was debacle. Second, due to debacle, all people are suffering. Thank you. For more videos, like, share and subscribe, and you can comment down your word in the comment box.